I'm thirsty. I think I should get myself a soda from the vending machine. Hey! Why won't this money go into the vending machine? I want my Coke. I'll have to try again. Are you kidding me? I want my freaking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if it does that again. Finally. Oh come on. Why won't this vending machine give me my freaking Coke? I want my Coke. Come on. Give me my Coke. Give me my freaking Coke, you stupid vending machine. That's it. I'm breaking this stupid vending machine. Yes. I finally got my Coke. Serves that stupid vending machine right for refusing to give my Coke.
Man. I think I'm a little thirsty. I'll get a drink from Kenward. What happened to the vending machine? Why is it broken?
I broke the vending machine because it refused to give me my Coke.
What? Oh. My. God. Kenward. I can't believe you did that. That's it. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Mr. and Mrs. Perkins. You will not believe what your son did. He broke the vending machine. Can you please ground him? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye.
Kenward. We cannot believe you broke the vending machine. You know that can get you arrested.
But Mom and Dad. The vending machine refused to give me my Coke. I'm sorry.
It does not matter. And your apology is denied. You are grounded for 469 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room right now. Or else we will send you to Italy.
Bye.